In this video, I will show you how to add multiple order bumps with images to your order form in Clickfunnels, so you can offer extra products that your customers can easily add to their orders. I will walk you through the whole setup from creating order bump products with images, connecting them to your funnel, and customizing them. If you don't have a Clickfunnels account yet, use the link in the description to get an extended 30-day trial instead of a regular 14-day trial, and you will receive our Clickfunnels course as a bonus. Now let's get started. The first step would be to create 2 products for your order bumps in Clickfunnels. To do that, from your dashboard, go to the Products, All Products, click Create Product. Then select a type of product that you want to use as an order bump product. I will go with a digital one. Give your product a name and add some description if you want. You can also do it later in the settings of the product and click Create Product. Then select a price type. It can be a one-time price, a subscription, or a payment plan. Enter the amount here and click Set Price. Now we see the page with the settings of this product. There are a lot of settings that you can configure for products in Clickfunnels, but that's not the purpose of this video. If you want to learn more about different settings of the products in Clickfunnels, please watch the tutorial by clicking on the card up here. What we need right now is the section up here, and that's where you can add an image to your product. You don't need to add an image separately on the order form. You can add it in the settings of the product, and it will be used on different funnels and in the store that you built in Clickfunnels. I will also add a short description, just a placeholder text, so that we see how it looks on the order form, and then select an image. You can either upload an image or select an image from your gallery. I will use this image here and then click Select Images. By the way, you can also add multiple images to the product. If you need in the future, you can update the price here, but right now we have everything that we need for our order bump product, and we click Update Product to save the changes. Because we want to have multiple order bumps for our order form, I will go ahead and create the second product the same way as we have just created this product. Now we have 2 products created that we will use as our order bump products. And as a main product for the order form, I will just use one of the existing products that I have here. Next, we need to connect our order bump products to the order form in Clickfunnels. Before I show you the next step of the setup, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials. Navigate to the funnel where you want to add this product and go to the order form. Then click on the icon with 3 dots and click Add Products. First, we need to add a main product. I just select one of the products that I have here. And after that, I will add the 2 products that we have just created for our order bumps. Again, I click Add Product, select Order Bump Product 1, and do the same for the second product. There is one more thing that you need to do to make those products order bump products. You need to move them to the order bump section. Just take this card with the product and drag it to the order bump section. And do the same for the second product. And this way the products were transformed to the order bump products. By the way, if you want to give your customers the possibility to select multiple items of your product, you can also change the settings here. That's the setting for the main product. If you want your customers be able to select multiple items of the main product, you select multiple product with quantity here. And if you want to do the same for the order bump products, you can also select multiple product with quantity. Next, we open our order form in the page editor. I'm using a template for this page, but this page doesn't have a checkout element yet, although it includes the summary element. I can just delete it and add the checkout element that we need to process payments on the order form. Click Add New Element, search for Checkout, We have already connected our products to the order form, and in the settings of the checkout element, you can adjust the look of the checkout element itself and also the look of the order bumps. Let me show you how to do it. Go to the settings of the checkout element by clicking on the gear icon. First, I want to switch this order form from the two-step order form to a one-step order form. You can do it in the checkout steps. Select one step here. This way we will see everything that the customers will have to enter when they fill in the checkout information. We also already see our order bumps. If you want to learn more how to work with the checkout element, please watch the tutorial by clicking on the card here. The one thing that I want to show you is how to change the template of the checkout element and how to customize your order bumps here, because that's related to the topic of this video. Okay, we once again open the settings. If you want to change the existing template, you go to the templates and then you can select the template that you want to use for this checkout element. If you want to update the look of the order bumps, go to the order bumps section here. You can first of all edit the products that we have already connected to the order bump. You can switch between the classic and the modern style of the order bump. The modern style has the button here and the classic one has a checkbox. In this layout I prefer checkbox, so I will switch it back. And if you scroll down, you can adjust the look of the order bumps by changing the background color, the headline color, description color, and so on. By default, your order bump image will be shown. If for some reason you don't see it, maybe the template that you have selected for the checkout doesn't show it, you can enable it here. Now let's save the changes and preview our page to see how our multiple order bumps look. To preview the page, click this icon. We have our order form with the main product, and if we scroll to the bottom, we can select one or both order bump products and add them to our order. And you can see that they also appear in the summary of the order. And that's all you need to do to add multiple order bumps with images to your order form in Clickfunnels. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in one of our other videos.